If you are thinking of doing your due diligence on that land you want to buy, welcome. Here are two areas you must do your due diligence on. By the way, my name is David Obinna. I'm your prosperous educator. And on this channel, I provide educative content about real estate investment in Nigeria. Let's dive in. The two areas you must pay attention to in doing your due diligence on a property is one, due diligence on the property itself. Number two, due diligence on the seller of the property. Here's how to do due diligence on the property itself. Number one, ask for a copy of whatever title that document has. Ask for the survey plan of that document. Inquire if that property has been registered with the government of that state. And if it has, very good. Get a professional property lawyer to take a copy of that document and verify at the land registry to see if the coordinates in the survey plan correspond with what is there on the land, and also whether that land is under any government interest or encumbrance, and also if the land is owned truly by whatever name that is on the document whose copy you have. Another way to verify also on the land is to go there yourself, or send a representative to go there yourself, to go there and do physical inspection. Verify to see the topography of the soil, whether it's a swampy area, whether everything around the area, whether there's marks like do not buy, keep off, and all those kind of things. Finally, in doing your due diligence on the land, do your street smart diligence. Go there casually. Find out from community members the true owner or the land history of that particular property. Inquire casually who owns that property. Find out whether it's under encumbrance. Sometimes a property may be under encumbrance, but the government does not know. At the land registry, they don't know. But you see, smart street due diligence will give you the answer. Number two place you have to do your due diligence is on the seller of the property. Who is selling this property to you? If it's a company, ensure that they are duly registered with the government. Ensure that they are CAC registered. Ensure that they have all the certifications. Ensure that they are members of REDAN, the Real Estate Development Association of Nigeria. The reason is, in case you are defrauded, you would be able to track and you'll be able to trace. Also, if you're verified or do your due diligence and found that this is worthy, make sure that you're paying to the official account. I hope that this helps you. I hope that you found value in this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share the content, and if you want to get more information about due diligence, reach out to us on the WhatsApp number on the description. Till I come your way again, peace.